Hey guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. But in case this is the first time you're stopping by, my name is Gina, and I'm a wife and mother from the Midwest, and I enjoy cooking fresh meals for my family and posting videos of the recipes here on YouTube. But today I'm going to show you a little bit of how I do my meal planning and how I keep my recipes that are not mine. Um, because I don't invent every single recipe. I cook every single day. I am not that creative of a person. So basically, I'm just going to show you how I use this program called Copy Me That in order to clip and save recipes and drag them to a meal plan so I can make a shopping list. So this week I wanted to try because it's January here and I definitely feel like we've gained weight over the holidays and we just need to clean things up around here. But as a family, so I saw some family meal plans on this website here. You know what? Maybe just search it. Here we go. 7-day family friendly meal plan. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. So basically, what this does, this program Copy Me That is free. You're going to go ahead and download the browser extension, which is this right here. So this will, allow you to clip recipes. It'll just always be on your Chrome window, and then you're going to go ahead and sign up for your account and make your username and all of that. And then once you're logged in, you're going to go ahead and go to the recipes that you want to clip. So this is a 7-day meal plan. Let's scroll down to the recipes. Excuse me, guys, I have a cold again. So we're going to click fruit bagels because that's a recipe that we need. So now, as you can see, the recipe is here. I am going to go ahead and just click on the little spoons. And now it's going to tell me right here that it has copied my recipe. So that's great. So now I'm going to go back into Copy Me That, and I'm going to refresh our recipes window just to show you that right here, our fruit bagel recipe has been saved to our cookbook. So now what's cool about this is when we click the recipe, the first time you have to confirm it. So you just want to review it and make sure that all of the ingredients that you want have transferred, the instructions are correct, and then you can go ahead and add your own personal description. You can mark down the number of servings in there. Over here, if you didn't like the image that it chooses to capture, you can go ahead and switch that. And then you can confirm it, which means you're saving it to your cookbook. And then I highly recommend this little button right here that's called tags. So like this would be, these are all like folders that I've made, if you will. So if I want to search something quickly and just find like crock pot recipes, I can go and click that later on. So this is a breakfast, excuse me, and then this is vegan and vegetarian. So I'm just going to go ahead and save that. And then now this option right here where you see the calendar and it says add, that's how you add it to your queue so you can meal plan it later on. So I know I need to make this week, so I'm going to go ahead and hit add to queue. All right, now we're going to go back. I'm going to toggle back to our website. And then like I used to love when I was working in an office to have this Chrome extension installed on my computer because on lunch break I love looking for recipes, and it's crappy to have to print them out and like take them home and like enter them into your cookbook or whatever. So this is just super easy. Like whenever you see one, you can save the recipe. So now we'll click this. And I don't need to scroll down to let you know that obviously this is the recipe is there. So now I'm just going to clip the rest of the recipes. All right, so that means we've clipped all of the recipes for day one. I'm going to go ahead and go back to here and refresh our recipes. So now we have our lunch recipe and our dinner recipe. Go ahead and click that. I'm just going to confirm it because it's right 90% of the time and add it to the queue because this little screen sharing thing doesn't allow me to record, I think, more than like 4 minutes or something. So let's just confirm, and then we're going to go ahead and add this to queue quickly. And then now I'm going to show you how I meal plan. So there's a tab here, obviously, that says meal plan. You just want to go ahead and click it. And then whenever I have recipes that like I kind of want to eat, like I tend to keep them here on the side in this queue. So that way when I'm planning for the next week, I know that, oh, I wanted to eat that last week. Maybe I'll cook that. So this is my previous week here. So I have all of my recipes that I saved myself in here. Like, so you can make new recipes, meaning like if you wanted to enter your family's favorite recipes, you could just enter it in. So I do that. And then I also like to go through the previous week and say like, oh, like I didn't make these turkey sweet potatoes and I didn't make lentejas last week or this cowboy casserole. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this to the queue again. Unfortunately, these are notes, so they don't let me do that. So I'm going to go ahead and then just put those in a side note here. So you can add notes just by clicking to the day. And turkey sweet potatoes. So now I know I need to add those dinners in. And then let's go ahead and add our crockpot cowboy casserole that we need to reuse in. So today's Monday. I'm not going to make it today because we had something kind of similar. So I'm going to make this on Wednesday. So I have it highlighted. Or you know what? I'm actually going to make this Friday because I have a play date. So that'll make my life easier. So you know what? No, because the play date's in the morning. Never mind. So I'm going to make this Wednesday. So you just go ahead and click the recipe that you want and you add it to, dang it, click the recipe you want and then click the day that you want it on and it just literally plops it in there. So for example, here are the 3 recipes that we were supposed to eat today on Monday for this family diet week. And now I have them all in here under Monday under breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And when you want to view them, you can just view the recipe. And there is an app for this on your phone. So you could download the app on your phone or just go to the website, which is what I do. So at any time, you know what you're having for dinner. If you need your partner to take out some meat that you forgot to defrost in the morning, it's great to have it always on your phone. And then furthermore, there's another function that I don't use for this where you can like make a shopping list, right? So like, we can click the item and click add to shopping list and click the item and click add to shopping list. Click the item and click add to shopping list, right? So now we can go to our shopping list. And the reason I don't use this is because it tallies the amount that you need by the measurement in the recipe. So like I don't like to be walking through the store and have like 3 items that say I need 1 tablespoon of flour separated. I like to have just flour, eggs, butter, whatever. But I mean, this is great because it does separate it by the section of the grocery store for you, which I do recommend doing when you want a quick shopping trip. It's just too much of a pain in the butt for me to go through here and like delete the line items to condense them. So in any case, if you wanted to, you could go ahead and print this out, or you could tick these items off in the store like so from the list if you have the application in your phone. So long story short, that is how I meal plan. I have a pretty large cookbook in here. I used to use a program called Yum Print, which I actually preferred, but the site is always down. So I switched to this one. But I mean, it's pretty simple. As you can see, you can click tags, and like, let's say I wanted to see something to make for chicken. So we're going to go ahead and double click chicken and show it to you. There we go. And now all of the recipes that I have tagged or that have the word chicken come up in here. So this is great. You can create personalized tags like for like Whole30, paleo, vegan, vegetarian, beef, chicken, so on and so forth, and go ahead and meal plan. So I hope that this wasn't too talky and I hope I didn't go too fast. If you have any questions, go ahead and pop them in the comments below. If you liked this video, I'd appreciate it if you can give it a thumbs up and let me know if you'd like more stuff like this. Maybe like a pantry tour where I discuss what I think is an essential item or items that you should keep in your pantry. Let me know. Anyways, thanks so much for stopping by. Have a great day.